can see that I have an audio clip in my track. So in order to play this, let's just go over here and hit the play button. You can hear out that the audio just starts playing abruptly. So what you can do right here in order to make it a bit smoother is to add in fade in and fade out effect. And to do that, I'm just going to go around into audio effects right here. And there's two options right here. One is fade in and other is fade out. So if I were to add in a fade in right here, let's see what happens. So what happens is that it adds an audio point right here. I can do this manually as well, but if I were to drag this in, things happen faster. Now what happens is that the volume gradually goes up. So let me just play this around. So you can hear that out, the audio gradually plays up just like that. I can similarly add in fade out as well, and it does that. So what it does is it adds an audio clip. So I can manually drag it around to adjust the length of the fade out as well. And it slowly goes down in the volume, as you can see right here. You can also make it shorter just like this. So it goes up in volume instantaneously. Just like that, and you can hear out the effect. And that is how you can add in the audio fade in and fade out effect inside of Camtasia project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.